All right, here's something that really amazed me, and you're kind of looking at it right now. You can get amazing color from a Lumix camera. I'm using the GH5 Mark II, uh, but you can get amazing color if you shoot in Vlog L and you use the built-in LUT with Final Cut Pro, which is Apple Log. And again, you are looking at it right now, and this is the amazing color you can get. I think the Apple LUT, it adds enough contrast, but it doesn't really make the skin tones look. It makes the skin tones, I think, are pretty accurate. Maybe not perfect, but the skin tones are pretty accurate. And I would say if you do have a Lumix camera, again, I have the GH5 Mark II. I would say shoot in Vlog if you've paid for the update to your camera. I think it was like $100 when I purchased it, if I'm not mistaken, or did it come with it? Not 100% sure, but yeah, if you shoot in Vlog L, give it a shot in terms of testing out what it would look like on your end. But let me know in the comments, how does this look? Does this look pretty good? If you have any other questions, don't hesitate to let me know. So right now I'm going to just walk through the setup process, which is pretty straightforward. So what you need to do is make sure your camera's in Vlog. Just make sure it's a Vlog. That's the most important thing. Just make sure your camera's in Vlog and record your video. And then once you get your video recorded and you get it into Final Cut Pro, what you want to do is you want to click here on the eye and change it to Apple Log. It should be like the first LUT that's available. And then boom, you should be good to go. Now, one thing to keep in mind is once you do change the log, you do have the option if you want to make some slight adjustments, you can do that as well. I am a big color wheel guy, so I love to use the color wheel, but whatever you're comfortable with, you can use to adjust your colors. Otherwise, I just want to kind of put that out there. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to let me know. Otherwise, I appreciate you watching, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Later. Bye-bye.